Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I last posted a video, but we're back. A little bit of explanation nga lang. I thought about the content that I have been posting, and we're gonna switch it up a bit. I will be sharing one of my passion again kasi matagal ko nang hindi ginagawa tong bagay na to, but I got the chance to try it out again, and you know, I'm enjoying it. I get to spend time with family while doing this passion, and sabi ko, might as well go all out and take it up seriously again. So this is the first step. We are on our way to Newport Mall to pick up something for this new passion of mine. Alright, so let's go. I'll show you guys what I guys will be getting. Alright, so medyo traffic on our way to Newport. Well, I was kind of expecting it. The traffic ngayon. Today is a Wednesday. Gusto sana sumama ni wife and ni Kendra, but may class si Kendra and she didn't want to miss class. Sabi nga namin mag-absent. That's good parenting there. No, kidding aside, we're just joking. So ano ba tong passion na to that I'm gonna be taking up, or have been taking up again? So this is basically, well, I have a few passions in life. I like doing photography, videography. There was a point where nag-cover tayo ng mga events as a photographer and a videographer, and we even made the business out of it. But the pandemic happened, so na-pause yung business na yun. And then I also like basketball. So ever since as early as grade 4, been playing basketball. May asthma kasi ako, and I think it has helped me overcome it. No, growing up, mas better na yung asthma ko compared to my sister who has really bad asthma. Shout out to my sister Kay in Spain. And then high school, I discovered a new sport. So I lived in Saudi, growing up there. Not a lot of things you can do. I was into video games, of course. I also got into rollerblading. But may isang sport that tumatak sa akin and this is bowling. Bowling, why bowling? So some people will say it's boring, but it's actually not. It's why I like bowling is because yung mental part of the game, yung concentration mo is improved by bowling, and then there's angles to look at, there's adjustments to look at. So marami kang matututunan talaga, like how to adjust, how to attack a certain lane and what. So that excites me. And then so lately Kendra has been going to dance school in Eastwood, and then my wife and I would hang out and wait for her at the bowling lanes in front of her dance school. So naglaro kami for a few games, and I enjoyed it a lot, and I'm happy na may mga house ball na naka-fingertip yung butas nila, kaya nag-enjoy tayo. But at the same time, it's also frustrating because nakaka-frustrate mag-bowling with the house ball when you're used to bowling at a certain way. So that's how I explain it. That's why no nagbo-bowling na kami on the second day na nag-bowling kami, I started looking at bowling balls dun sa pro shop, But bowling balls, new bowling balls are expensive. The cheapest one is around 6,000 pesos, and can go us up to 14,000-15,000 depending on the brand and the model that you want to get. One thing I learned about buying a bowling ball is it's not easy to find yung specific brand and weight na gusto mo in all the pro shops that I've been to. So that started my hunt to look for a new bowling ball. So when I was still playing, maybe I'd say 20 years ago, grabe, 20 years ago na, I used to use a Brunswick Zone bowling ball given to me by my mom and my dad. And when I came back here from Saudi, college ako sa San Beda College pa rin, now it's San Beda University. I had dreams of playing basketball for the school, but then on tryouts I saw, and then practice yung Red Lions, diba, sa courts namin, I saw how tall the players are. Oh my gosh. So nawala na yung dream ko of playing basketball for the school. I'm only 5'4", so okay na yun. I just play basketball leisurely with friends and whatnot. So going back to bowling, I found out that there's a bowling team ng San Beda, and they go up against UAAP schools. So that was awesome. So I tried out and I got in. So nakapaglaro tayo ng bowling for San Beda for a few years. Went up against some bowlers from other schools, from Ateneo, LaSalle, and they're good, and they're Philippine team members, some of them. Can't remember their names, I'm sorry, it's 20 years ago. But yeah, I played bowling for San Beda for a few years, and then after graduating, hindi ko na natuloy. You know, reality hit. You also have to pay to play bowling in any alley. Wala namang sponsors nun that, you know, I play for free. So I have to pay, and just starting out, medyo hindi pasok sa budget. Now I wanna bowl again. I want to pursue this passion. Feeling ko kasi, you know, this is something that I can do and also share with Mitch and Kendra. So ayun, so let's see. This is going to be my first ball, and after ball na talaga. I'm actually getting two. So sabi ko medyo expensive ang pagbili ng bowling ball, diba? So I looked at other options, and this deal popped up on Facebook Marketplace, and I messaged the guy and he replied naman. We decided to meet up. I'll look at the ball, and it comes with a free bag. So if you're going to buy a 6,000 peso bowling ball, syempre papadrill mo pa yun, and then you'll have to have your inserts. So it'll be around, the cheapest, no, brand new bowling ball is around 6,850 pesos. And then syempre, if you're going to buy a bowling ball, kaya ng bag, how are you gonna bring that ball around, diba? So the cheapest bag, the roller bag that I saw, brand new, is around 3,500. So that puts us around more than 10,000 pesos na. Roughly $200 for those in the US. I mean, okay pa rin, except this deal popped up that's half the price, that comes with 2 balls. One is a Storm reactive ball and another one is a spare ball, and comes with a bag. I think yung bag yung what made the deal really good, because the bag itself, it's a 2-ball roller bag, should be around easily 5,000 pesos brand new. So sabihin mo na half the price dahil second hand 2.5, and it comes with 2 balls, so that means I would have paid just 1,000 pesos for the ball. Not bad. So okay na rin. Worst case is, you know, I'll sell the spare ball so that I get money to buy new shoes, bowling shoes. So yun lang naman. I don't have, when I bowl, I used to bowl before. I didn't have a lot of equipment. I used to just have 1 ball. I had a roller bag and shoes, yun lang. So we're on our way. I'll see you guys again when we're at Newport. Yeah, a little story time for me. Okay, so this is our bowling bag. Ito yung binili natin kanina. This is Charlie from the future. So I cleaned it up a little bit and with some home cleaning materials. Looks okay naman. Yan. Has a pocket for the shoes here dito sa taas. So, pockets here pero may mga butas na siya. So okay lang. This is I think a good bag as a starter, no? And then may pocket din dito for some of your bowling stuff. Okay, let's look at the ball inside. Ayan. So this, akin to. Muna. So this is our Storm Trauma ER ball. And medyo nilinisan ko na siya, or I tried to clean it as best as I can. Pero I think it needs polishing dun sa pro shop. And this is our Columbia 300 spare ball. Yan. So it needs to be re-drilled kasi look at the thumb, hindi pasok sa finger ko. And then here, yeah, it needs yung parang finger inserts, yung rubber finger inserts. So yeah, so that's what I need to do. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the balls that we got today and then the bag. Alright, so ayun na nga, we finally have our new bowling balls and our new bag. The bag is a bit worn out na. I'll think if I need to replace it, but for now I think it's okay to carry around the 2 new balls. So we have a Storm Trauma ER, that's gonna be our main ball, and then we have a Columbia 300 pearl white spare ball. Both are 14 pounds. Bakit 14 pounds? The last ball I used, the zone ball I used to have, I'll show a picture somewhere here, used to be 14 pounds. So ayoko naman mag 13 or 12, which is a bit lighter. I'm used to that naman, so let's see how it goes. So far I'm happy with the purchase. Maganda yung bola. Yes, it's used, but it looks like it's been well kept naman, and want to thank the seller for accommodating and, you know, being negotiable sa price. Yun, so I think right off the bat we need to have it re-drilled and have new finger inserts. So in the next episode, I'm going to Eastwood Pro Shop to have the ball re-drilled and basically custom made for our fingers. For those that are new to bowling or are not familiar, yung mga holes kasi has to be customized for your fingers, for your hand. The reason being is siyempre kailangan maganda yung fit ng fingers for dun sa bola para pag release mo swabe at easy for you to release. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.